All right, welcome back to Point Breeze Publications and the PyCSC channel. We talked about the introduction to Python computations in science and engineering a couple weeks ago, and that booklet was really an introduction from ground zero to get you started in a lot of Python computations that are pretty typical in, say, the first year of an undergraduate science and engineering degree. The next booklet builds on that and is called Intermediate Python Computations in Science and Engineering. And this is really targeting the second year of a typical science or undergraduate engineering degree. And so we add some topics on calculus, how to calculate, say, integrals in multiple dimensions. So we can have a single integral like this. You can see there's double integrals. We have over here triple integrals and numerical integration of data using, say, the trapezoid rule or Simpson's rule. We talk about derivatives, how to take derivatives in Python using functions in SciPy or using a package called numdiff tools that is very good for that. We have an intermediate topics in arrays and linear algebra. So we talk a little bit about how to select parts of arrays, how to print arrays, how to do some dot product in linear algebra, matrix multiplication, transposing, solving linear equations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and that's what we cover there. There's a whole section on ordinary differential equations, starting with first order differential equations, systems of first order differential equations, and nth order differential equations, so you can see how you apply all of those. And there's some intermediate nonlinear algebra to show you how to get polynomial roots, and scipy.optimize.root for general nonlinear algebra solving. And then lastly, there's an introduction to statistics, and this talks about the normal distribution and how to get samples of a normal distribution and do analysis on different properties, how to check for accuracy in measurements and confidence intervals, and how to tell if two sets of measurements are the same or different using some hypothesis testing. So that's a really brief, quick overview of what's in this book. It's very complete in the sense that it covers everything you need probably through like the second year. There's still another book that I'll talk about in the future on computations that are needed in lab courses, and then there's two specialized booklets that you can find in the Point Breeze Pubs store on optimization and differential equations that goes into much greater depth than these. All right, you can find the link to this booklet in the description of the video, and I hope it was helpful, and look forward to hearing from you if you check it out.